Eastern Himalaya echoes with calls from the Asian blue-throated barbet. Their calls can dominate the aural landscape. The scientific name of the bird is Psilopogon asiaticus. The Asian Throated Barbet Heed features in IUCN's least concerned species list and does not qualify as threatened, near threatened or conservation dependent. The barbets get their name from the bristles which fringe their heavy bills. This bird is medium-sized and 90–11 inches long, including the tail, and weighs between 7 to 103 grams. The bird is colorful, and it has a big head and a short tail. They have bright green plumage and red color in the crown, including black band around the crown with blue throat. Its beak is surrounded by black bristles. Males and females look alike, and younger ones have duller plumage. Asian throated barbet is native to Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, India, Myanmar, Nepal, Pakistan, Thailand, and Vietnam. The bird is usually found sitting on tall trees, like sal, beechwood, teak, peepal tree etc., and they are shy in nature, most of the time hiding behind the foliage or leaves. The color of the bird mimics the color of the green foliage, and it is very hard to locate them, as they get camouflaged. They fly with medium to fast rapidity. Asian blue-throated barbets dub in a very high pitch. They yell throughout the day. Their breeding season is mainly from March to June, and they have been spotted coming out from the holes they excavate, mainly in dead tree trunk. Both parents usually excavate a nest hole about 1.5 meter to more than 8 meter above the ground. Both parents incubate their eggs for about 14 days. The young are believed to fledge when they are about 30 to 40 days old. Barbets are good agents for seed dispersal in the forest of the Eastern Himalaya. They are very calm and charming birds. Their color combination and calling attracts visitors all the time at the Eastern Himalaya.